Dear users, we are pleased to introduce the flagship product of the UChain ecosystem, the UTrading automated trading platform. The platform offers automated trading bots designed for spot trading in the UCN USDT and BTC USDT pairs across various crypto exchanges. In this guide, we'll explain how to connect a trading bot to your account on the MEXC exchange. After purchasing a performance pack, the next step is to activate your bot. To do this, go to your dashboard and click Activate next to the bot you added. A window will appear asking you to choose an exchange for connection. In our case, we're connecting to MEXC, so we select it. Then, you'll be asked to choose the trading pair you want the bot to use. Select the pair and click Continue. A bot activation window will open. Copy the IP address from the last field. You'll need it later. Now, you need to connect your MEXC account to the bot. To do this, log in to your MEXC account. Go to the official MEXC website and sign in. Make sure your MEXC account is funded with the amount required to run the bot. If not, top up your balance. The minimum amount is shown in your bot. Important: before creating keys, enable two-factor authentication on your account. Go to the API management section. Hover over your avatar in the top right corner and select API management from the menu. Then, to create the keys, follow these steps. Set the permissions for the API keys in the spot section. View account details, view order details, trade. In the link IP address field, enter the IP address you saved earlier. Add a name for the key in the notes field. For example, you can name the keys UTrading. Click Create and complete two-factor authentication. You'll then see a message that your keys have been created successfully. Access key and secret key. Both are required for integration. Copy and save both keys. Note that the secret key is shown only once, so be sure to store it safely. You can always find your API key later in the My API Keys section. Important: never share your keys with others. They provide full access to your account. Don't store keys in public repositories or open websites. If you lose your keys or suspect compromise, delete them immediately and create new ones. Connecting the trading pair, connect the UCN/USDT trading pair. To do this, go to the My API Key section in your Exchange account. Find the key you just created, access key, by the name you assigned during setup. Click the Set button, and in the window that opens, select the UCN/USDT pair. Make sure you select only one pair. Then return to the UTrading website and paste the saved keys into the corresponding fields. Access key into the access key field and the secret key into the secret key field. After that, click Integrate. That's it. Your bot is now activated. You'll see a push notification confirming this. In the dashboard section, you'll also see which exchange your trading bot is currently connected to. In this guide, we've shown you how to connect your bot on the UTrading platform to the MEXC exchange. If you still have questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. We wish you good luck and great profits.